Got that down. Got a nice little walkway heading over to the dog's area. Lilu's been out playing with Willow basically all afternoon. Huh, Willow? Well, they've been looking, but this is my first time looking. That's good stuff right there.
Looking pretty good.
Looking pretty good. All right. All right, Gladys is getting that fire started. Doesn't want to focus. And getting all the stuff prepped. So you asked for it, it's coming. Good old drunk beans coming at you with some lovely bacon. Yep. Welcome back to the journey, friends. So while she's doing that, and we'll kind of be going back and forth, I need to get some stuff moved out the way and kind of start getting prepped for the foundation of the gathering house. So it's getting dried up enough, but I got some metal that's in the way. I got some logs that are in the way, and then a few other things that are in the way. But I'm gonna go ahead and get that cleaned up, and then show you what we're gonna be doing and where everything's gonna be going, and be bouncing kind of back and forth with that. So anyway, it's not gonna do it itself, so let's get to work. Okay, so I need to get rid of this stump, and I do have a new chain for the chainsaw that I can go through, which I don't have a bar for my 20-inch steel, and this would just be way too much work for my little 16-inch Husqvarna, my little Husky. So I'm just going to go ahead and leave it as it is. I went ahead and went and bought some kerosene. I talked about this in a previous video. So I'm going to go ahead and get this stump. So this is the only one I really need to worry about for the most part. Because, I mean, I got stuff, here, some other stuff, but most of the stuff's already like rotted out. for the most part. I got like little ones here I can get rid of, like this one, that one there. So it's kind of hard to see from this side, but as you can see over here, it was kind of like a tree that fell and then it started growing out the side, right? So this one could be done, but I have other products for this little stuff. And then, you know, even this one over here, because this is all going to be, you know, close to where the foundation is going to be, which I don't think so, because I'm pretty sure the other corner is going to kind of be out in here. So with that, the only stumps I really need to worry about is that big one for the most part. For that one, I'm going to go ahead and get that one soaking in kerosene. That way I can go ahead and light it up, let it burn for a few days. Because I'm probably going to put, you know, a good gallon, 2 gallons worth of kerosene. Just, you pour it in really, really slow. You let it soak in to the wood. You can always drill holes in the top if you want. I know some folks use diesel. Kerosene is a little, you know, thinner, right? It's very lightweight, right? It still floats on water, but it soaks in to the wood a lot better than diesel, right? Because diesel's thick. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, get that one going, and then we'll go ahead and go grab the wheelbarrow and we'll move all this mulch and stuff like that. So anyway, let's go see how Gladys is doing.
It's fine like that, Mom. Yeah. I'll just put it over there on that side so it's easier to go. Hello, it's me. Wow. Hello. Yeah, you did. No one likes that. I can't do it anymore. I used to be able to do it. Did it? You did, Joy. I was like, why is it built like that? Oh no, it was weird. It was like, it was a little retarded. Restarted? Instead of retarded, restarted. So we're not allowed to say the R word in school apparently.
You can see it soaking in. Try not to let it pour down the sides as much as possible. You want it to soak into the wood. All right, we'll let that soak in for a little bit and then we'll come back. Put a little bit more in. Let that soak in for a little bit. Pour some more on. And then we'll go ahead and light it up. Okay, so that actually burned for quite a while. I'll let that smolder a little bit, but I'm gonna do this a few times. So I'll let it sit for a day, and then I'll come out, soak it down again with some more kerosene. Just let it soak in there really good, and then I'll hit it up again. We'll just continue to do that basically until it's going. I know it's going to take it a bit, but anyway, let's go ahead and get up all this material over here. We'll get it moved out the way, and then go from there.
You're horrible. So Mom's like, you told me to go ahead and record. I passed you the phone, Mom. I passed you the phone.
So the outro and
Yeah, so
the tomato are in there.
yeah, so I asked Mom. I gave Mom the phone. I gave her the phone. All she had to do was press record.
But you didn't tell me to press record.
So I was gonna have her recording me put the cilantro and the tomato in there, and then mixing it around so y'all can see the results of the drunk beans. Almost there. Oh yeah. Now that I said that, hey, where's the beer? Yeah.
I'll take one of those.
Mom problems. Gosh.
You're fired, Mom.
Yeah. Here comes my daughter. She's walking her puppy because her puppy doesn't respond to her demands. But look how chunky she got. Mike, look what you have done. She is so chunky. Lila. Oh, she's such a chunky beast.
Are you my baby girl?
So, no, Mom. You're fired. I'm holding the camera from now on. Even if I have to record myself, Gladys, don't burn yourself. I got a piece of beer. Wow, a can of beer here. Yeah, I would say use whichever one you like, but that's false. Y'all can go ahead and message me so I can let y'all know which one I like. I'm trying to cover it up, but y'all probably know what bottle that is. I'm just gonna pour a little bit in there for the homies, okay? The other half, I'm gonna go ahead and finish it myself.
Oh my God.
No, Mom. Woohoo! All right, let that brew in there for a little bit. Yummy.
Oh, and I guess I could show you where I brought a lot of that stuff before going to look at the beans. So over here at the girls swing set, got that down, got a nice little walkway heading over to the dogs area. Lilu's been out playing with Willow basically all afternoon. Huh, Willow? So are they almost done, baby?
Yeah. You want to look at them?
I want to look.
You want to look? Did you already look?
I have not looked, not yet.
Yeah, well, they haven't.
Oh, they've been looking, but this is my first time looking.
Yeah.
That's good stuff right there.
Looking pretty good.
Looking pretty good. All right.
Let's see. Taste test the banner. Taste test the banner. Okay. Ah, still needs a little bit.
Still not soft enough yet.
Not yet.
All right.
That's good. Looking good.
Looking good.
Yep.
All right. Well, we'll show them a picture here at the end of what it all looks like.
Yep.
But I think we're gonna go ahead and call it quits because all of our cameras are dying. So I got GoPro over there. It wanted to overheat and die. My phone died. Your phone's about to die. This phone's about to die. So
Wow, we got a bunch of things dying.
I know. So like I said, we're gonna go ahead and call it quits. And but here's the picture of what it looked like at the end. So we definitely appreciate y'all for following in on today's journey. Just a little bit closer to getting the foundations going.
Yep.
And got anything else you'd like to say?
Tortillas, anyone?
All right.
Look at my stash. Before you leave, I leave you with my stash of tortillas.
Tortillas.
Tortillas to go with my drunk bean.
And I know the girls have already been digging into those.
Yeah,
So, all right.
hungry.
Well, last but not least,
Always think of better at every chance you get.
not only on Veterans Day.
See ya next
Well,
one.
see you on the next one.
Bye-bye.
And we're kind of doing it backwards, so you can check out the other video here. Playlist over here for the whole year. Icons at the top make it easy to subscribe to both channels.
I
And
wish.
yada yada. All right. Bye. Love you.
Bye.